Hello, I'm Teacher Eade. Today, I'll be comparing two images and discussing how they relate to the workplace. Alright, let's compare two images and contrast these two images. In the first image, we see people working together under a leader, moving the boat forward. This shows teamwork and good leadership. And the second image, the people are rowing in a different direction efficiently. There is no teamwork or no clear direction. And we analyze these two images. The first image represents a situation, teamwork and leadership help achieve a goal efficiently. The second image shows that without coordination, guidance, effort are wasted, and progress is slow. And the workplace relation, the first image, like a managed team with a clear leader, leading to success. The second image is like a team without no direction, leading to confusion and failure. And the conclusion, these two images, the teamwork and good leadership are essential for success in any workplace.